Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
And you don't know this, but this is the place where it all started. In 2015, we filmed our first episode for our YouTube channel. In professional circles, it's called The Pilot.
Yeah. And we weren't so professional. I felt we failed a little bit. I think
Yeah, well,
we didn't have the right things.
Well, it was a miscommunication. We were supposed to do an upcycling episode, and it was supposed to be making a candle holder or a candlestick using the chair or the leg of a chair or
And
something
we got
like
a
that.
table with a huge leg.
Yeah, because we asked PJ to get us a table, and PJ didn't know what we were talking about. So he brought us this massive table with these really big fat legs.
Yeah.
And well, you know what they say. We tried as best we could with what we had. The pilot was created and it was never aired.
But now,
yeah,
now you get the chance to see.
Yeah, we were brainstorming.
How we recycle stuff.
Absolutely, we were brainstorming and with Anna, and poor Eric, he had to go back into the archive and he had to dig deep, deep into the archive. But here we have it.
Yeah.
The very first episode, not so professional.
But still.
But still.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy it. Okay. Hi, we really love our candle holders. We live in a cold country which is quite dark in winter, so we like to bright things up all over the house, and therefore we collect candle holders.
And we have like these we found in Italy, which we think are very nice. Looks like they are coming from an old church or something. But the good thing is that you don't have to buy them.
Yeah, we realized one day that we actually have a lot of stuff all over the place that we can use to make the candle holders ourselves.
So we will show you how to make your own candle holders. So come on.
Yep, let's go. We've all got old stuff lying around, old furniture, probably in the loft or in one of the outhouses. We try not to throw anything away because we think that recycling can be done pretty cleverly, like we're going to show you now with this table.
Yeah, and some people throw these things away, so you can actually find it in the garbage bin. Or is it garbage?
Yeah, it's a garbage bin.
And maybe on the streets if you live in the city. Like this, for example, a beautiful table. Once it was a beautiful table.
And now we're going to turn the beautiful table legs into something else.
A candle holder. Okay, this is old wood we collected from old pieces of furniture, and like this is from my grandmother's chandelier. This makes a beautiful candle holder when you put it together. Like this, it makes a new candle holder.
Yeah, it's the way we've been working for many, many years. We like taking things, taking them apart, and then putting them back together again in a new way.
Yeah, and then we also this is from old table, and this is another piece from the chandelier, and this goes with this one. So this will be the top of a candle holder. We just wait to find the other piece.
Yeah, and then we'll probably saw it here in the middle, right?
Yeah, or we keep it as one.
Or keep it as one.
I don't know yet. We'll see. See what we find. So today we will show you how to make 4 candle holders out of one table.
Yep.
I think we cut one here and one. Yeah, there will be good.
Yeah, we don't need to keep the middle part.
No, we keep that for this and this.
Oh, okay. So there will be different heights.
I think. We'll see. So let's go and do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, I have to help you.
This is for the fireplace. See if we can get it. Tear it apart. Det er litt vanskelig å gjøre det på bordet. Vi må nesten ned her. Åh. Sånn. Ja, det er bra. Vi skal ta. More for the fireplace. Sometimes it's really glued together. It's really hard to get it. Denne der var hardt inn.
Shall I hold it and you pull it?
Du finner noen slømme, tror jeg. Hvor har jeg brekket under mitt? So, then I think it would be good to cut it here. To make a small one, and there for a little bigger one.
Yeah. Two different heights.
Two different heights. So.
Yes. And now you can see the different heights, I think.
So two different candle holders. And then you have to cut the other leg to get two looking the same. And you take off this, you take off, or you wait until you find something else you can put on top, like the one we had, like things like this, but you need a bigger hole. So maybe you have to wait until you find something that fits this one.
Mm.
If not, you cut this off, and you can put on things like the simple things like this you can get in IKEA, maybe? I don't know.
A metal plate of some sort that you can glue onto the...
Glue on the top. Or you can use these candle holders, which you can buy. They're looking like this. Then you have to make a hole and you put it in.
But a little thin candle here doesn't look as good as...
This one needs...
a thick candle.
A thick candle. And so does this. So I would take off this and glue something in metal on top. So on this one I will prefer to take this away because I think we can look forever until we find something that matches this one. So just take that off.
I'll hold it for you on the other side.
And then you can use double tape. Is it called
double tape, yeah.
Yeah? Or some strong glue, and you put something like that on top.
Mm.
And then it's good with a big candle. If it's a little bit moving a little bit, you have to use sandpaper and make it
even it out.
Under.
And then put some felt. You can cut a ring of felt and put it on, glue it on.
Yeah. And if you want to make it more nice, because this color ain't nice. Mm. If you want to make it nicer, you can paint and then you use sandpaper and you rub to make it look old. So it gets this look, like on this one.
Or like
one.
on this one. This is also nice with the...
So just paint and sandpaper to make it look old. We'll try on this one. See if it...
Yeah.
You see, it gets nicer when you use sandpaper.
Oh, but once you start rubbing it with sandpaper, it starts looking good.
Okay, then we made the first one. Then we have made the first one from the old table. We started with this, and now we have made the first one from the old table. Then we have this one coming up.
Which will be a lower height, which is nice to have a little bit of different heights.
We don't know yet what we're doing. Maybe we cut this also. I don't know. We keep this for later. It could be nice with something on top. So, and then we have this one, which I have to glue now. I add some paper because it's a little bit loose. So this will be the one from the chandelier. And this is under. We're working on this one.
And this one is already done? It's a nice table thing that became a candle holder. And this one is from India, I think. This was a candle holder, actually. So this is what we started with, an old table.
And from that we made this one, a big candle holder, and this is going to be a smaller one. So there will be a pair of each.
With different heights, which is good, I think.
And I think we will use sandpaper on both of them because they're too shiny. This one from the old chandelier, this will be good as it is, I think. This is good.
And these are already done.
And then we're working on this one. We just missed a piece. We have to go through a lot of garbage to find the right piece. That's it. It's easy. Quite easy.
You'll find a list of materials and tools you need for this project on our website. Now I think we should try it.
Yes.
Let's
I put on some music.